So I had a whole different plan on what I was going to actually record today for you guys, for whoever sees this, honestly. But today was one of those days where in your journey and process of starting over and everything I talk about on this channel, just growing, redefining yourself, there's going to come days where you don't want to do anything. And it's not because you don't want to progress. It's not because you don't want to keep working on yourself. It's because sometimes when you're in the middle of doing the work, changing, redefining yourself, growing, showing up for yourself on a day-to-day basis, doing everything right, your mind starts to ask the question of where's the result? And sometimes everything you're doing, everything you're putting your energy in, none of it is working out. And sometimes, the negative side comes in and it tells you to give up. It tells you to stop showing up. It tells you to stay comfortable, be where you are, be unhappy. And I decided to make this video because I'm going to be honest with you guys. I'm the positive friend. I'm the friend that always looks on the positive side. I'm the friend that's always pushing for growth and the change and making those decisions to kind of develop you into, the new version of who you want to be, which is why I started my channel, because I feel like that's helped me so much. I've seen so many people that it's helped, that's gone through it. And I wanted to share that. I wanted to maybe at least help one person out there who's really trying their hardest to get out of a difficult situation or take the leap and make a hard decision. That's really why I made this channel. For the woman who feels like she's behind everybody else and she's doing so much, because I'm her. I'm that woman. And after going through and starting this journey of reinvention of myself now for about a year and some change, today was a hard day. Today, I think all my fears showed themselves. All the negative thoughts of not accomplishing what I want to do, or kind of like asking the question of why am I still pushing forward if nothing's changing? And sometimes when we're working towards change, we might not see it physically. It might not show up in our reality now. But I think what gets me through that is understanding that it's working in the background. It's kind of like the seed that you plant. You don't see it growing, roots or anything. It's in the soil. You still got to nurture it and water it. But eventually it grows out. It comes out. You don't have to watch it. You just have to nurture it, because it will grow as long as you nurture it, even when you don't see the physical, evidence that what you're doing is right. And I want you guys to remember that on those days, and I'm also telling myself this, on those days where it feels like you're putting in all the work and you want to see more progress and you feel like you should have been further along, not necessarily comparing yourself to others. I think sometimes that happens too. But specifically what I'm talking about is the days where you feel like you're doing everything you can and trying every avenue but nothing has changed. And those are the days that you have to show up. Those are the days where it means the most, and it's the hardest days to show up. It's the hardest days to get out of bed. It's the hardest days to do the right thing. Those are the hardest days. It's the hardest days to think positive. It's the days when you somehow start just reflecting on everything you've been doing up to this point, all the work you've been putting in, and none of the results have shown itself yet. Those are the days when you have to show up. And those are the days where it means the most. But those are the days where you feel the worst. And I wanted to do this video just so it could reach someone out there who's in that moment thinking, maybe I should give up now. Maybe I've done all I can. Maybe it's time for me to just settle. Maybe this is just going to be my life. Any one of those statements that might be coming to mind, hopefully this video finds someone who's in that place and they can understand that no, it's not okay to give up. It's not okay to stop trying. It's not okay to give up on yourself. It's okay to have the feeling. It's okay to understand that we're human. And it's okay to understand that sometimes you're not going to feel like doing it. But I want you to know that it's okay to have the feeling. But regardless of the feeling, feel it. Let it flow through you and get up and show up. Whether it's today or the next day, whatever it is. So if you woke up in the morning and it's the day you're supposed to go to the gym and it's snowing outside, you're tired, you're in pain, you might have started your period or something and you're cramping, whatever it is, and you feel like, I don't want to do this today. Those are the days when you should show up. He just wants to cuddle. Those are the days when you should show up. Maybe you've been applying for a job for the longest. It's been months. No one's called you back yet. You've gone on 1 million interviews and you still haven't gotten a job. And you woke up and you decided, I'm going to stop applying to jobs, or I'm going to stop trying to work on that business idea. That day is the day where you show up. You put that application in, you write out that business plan, you take action, because that's the day it's going to matter the most. That's the day that's going to be most impactful, because we work so hard towards our goals, towards change, towards whatever we want to do. But at the end of the day, when we do get the goal, a lot of the times what we do remember is the days when we showed up when we didn't feel like showing up. So I'm gonna end it here. I don't want to keep ranting. Just for the person out there who feels like giving up, if they thought today was the day, today's not the day. Feel the emotion and keep showing up.